Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and Marcy didn't want to do this video. She's gotten tired of doing them. So I'm going to do a crustless pumpkin pie. It's the same ingredients as a regular pumpkin pie but with no crust, which is pretty interesting. Okay, we're going to preheat our oven to 425, and we're going to beat together a whole egg and 2 egg yolks and a half a cup of sugar.
How about
3/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay. So, here goes an egg. It's a pretty easy ingredient wise. And the trusty dusty egg yolk separator.
That's probably been around for 40 years.
I think it's actually made by Tupperware.
I think so too.
Everybody remembers Tupperware.
You can use your finger to grab that, it'll help.
I don't like doing that. It's too yucky.
Oh, you're funny. Too yucky.
I think I just made a mess. I know I did. No, I just received it.
Very good, Harold.
Okay. Now we got that done. Now we're going to put in our sugar.
That was 3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup.
Yeah.
And the egg white kind of fluffs it up, but the yolks make it tender, I think.
Yeah, creamier custard.
Creamy. Okay, now we got that mixed up.
Okay, stir that a little bit more. There you go.
Don't want it gritty, do we?
Don't want that, yeah, I want to dissolve that sugar a little bit. You could use your mixer if you wanted to.
Yeah, I don't want to use no mixer.
It's too noisy, isn't it? It's not necessary.
Okay. Now we're going to add pumpkin spices.
And pumpkin too, right?
Okay, this is ginger. And we're going to have
Use this kind of like that, sweetie. The reason we do that, it's sometimes the ginger stays in little balls and you don't
a
want...
whole tablespoon?
Teaspoon, sweetheart. It is a teaspoon. Yeah, it's a teaspoon. And level it out. Use your finger and smooth it. That's how you measure. You don't have it heaping. There you go. Most people take a knife and just slide it across it. You have more, that's good. I love spicy pumpkin pie.
Okay. Then we need...
Use your finger. There you go.
Do the cinnamon the same way?
You can do it all the same way, sweetie.
Okay. Another teaspoon of cinnamon.
You just put them all in there at the same time. It won't make a bit of difference.
And now we got nutmeg. Teaspoon.
Take that top off. You'd be here all day. Hey, I'm teaching him something today.
Yeah, I can make a mess out of that stuff.
It's okay, sweetheart. Whoa, there you go. There you go. That's close enough.
Okay. Now...
You've got ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg in there.
Now we got salt.
Yeah, just go ahead and do your spices in there now.
Half salt.
Yep, half a teaspoon of salt. You don't have to sit. Ooh, great day.
You have to sift that.
You didn't have to. Yeah, just discard that. I was going to say throw it in the sink. That was a lot of salt. You add a little extra.
Okay. We got our salt, nutmeg, ginger. And then we're going to stir this together. Then we'll put a pumpkin pie in.
Yeah, put your pumpkin in. Pumpkin. Pure pumpkin.
Pure pumpkin. Pumpkin puree.
There you go.
You did a video on the Crustless something earlier. What was that? Impossible pie.
The coconut pie, yeah. But that has flour in it, so you can't use that if you're need gluten-free, which this one, this is considered gluten-free.
Yeah, can of milk.
Not yet. Stir that up real well. Yeah, mix it real good, sweetie.
Smells good.
Oh, yeah, all those good spices.
Everybody getting ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a right smart crowd here at Thanksgiving, I hear.
It's looking like maybe 25.
Yeah, you know me going crazy with that. This is a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk.
You know, you could go ahead and add your vanilla now, too.
Okay.
1 teaspoon, I believe.
Teaspoon of vanilla.
Fill that thing up.
I did.
You either eat it or you crack me up.
I either get it too full or not full enough.
Yeah. Oh boy, slow down there.
You guys ought to cook with this woman.
Yeah. You ought to live with Harold for 47 years.
And you all know that's a pleasure. But this is how you enjoy retired life. It's a Monday morning and we're making a video on Crustless pumpkin pie.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, you can just stir a little bit. I see some pumpkin on this edge. Yeah, there you go. You haven't learned how to whip it, have you?
Will you tell me to slow down? I'm going to throw it everywhere.
You have to at first, sweetie. Now you're doing great, see?
Oh, you ought to see me doing tomatoes and stuff with the mixer in here. I got it all over the walls.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Is
right.
that good?
That's perfect. It looks
Okay.
fabulous.
I don't know about perfect, but okay. Now you always use your trusty dusty spray pan. You want to make sure you get all the areas good, so that stuff will stick. Okay.
Well, that's going to make a nice deep pie, isn't it? Perfect. Do you need a spatula? No, you're pretty good. Well, you've got that one. I guess you could use if you needed to. There you go. That looks really good. So
Okay.
the oven is
Now-
preheated.
Here's the task.
Yeah, getting it to the oven without sloshing it everywhere. Okay,
So I'm going across the kitchen floor.
you can do
Holding
it.
it, not spill it.
You can do it. You can do
There
it.
she goes, Captain.
Look at there. Perfect.
Okay. 325, 425,
For 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Timer,
Right there.
1.5.
Yeah, and you don't even have to hit anything
No.
else. It does, and then so it bakes at 425 for 15 minutes, and then you reduce your heat. So
We'll be back in just a little bit and show you what all we're doing. Okay, everybody, it's been 15 minutes. The little timer's gone off. So we're going to reduce the heat to 350. So I have to push clear and off, right?
clear and off, and get your timer off.
Timer.
That's
Okay, now put 350.
okay. You got to hit bake first, sweetheart.
Regular bake.
Bake 350.
Start. Timer.
30.
30. Okay, you can see in there now it's starting to bubble up. It's looking good.
Oh yeah, baby.
I'm looking forward to this. I think it's going to be terrific.
I do too,
So
honey.
we'll be back and let you know what it tastes like. Okay, everybody. We added 5 more minutes to that because we didn't think it was quite right. So now we're getting it right. And the smells are unbelievable. You can tell I'm not the most agile guy. Okay. So now,
were you gonna do a little test? Well, you can tell by cutting it. Yep, looks good.
Marcia wanted some for breakfast.
Yeah. Most of the time you let it chill before you serve it, but I am going to have mine hot. Oh. And it doesn't come out very good when it's hot,
No,
does
it
it?
doesn't.
Maybe that wasn't such a great idea.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, so anyway, so let your pie chill before serving.
Yes. Anyway,
And
don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like. And I hope you enjoy our channel. And if it's any videos you want me to make or Marcia to make, just send us a comment and we'll see what we can do for you. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas.